Welcome back to Pivot Towards Freedom Business Channel, where we cover everything you need to know about offline businesses or bringing your business online. Today I will cover how you can add subpages to the Google site website you created last week. Before we go on, I'd like to ask you to subscribe to the channel if you have not already and click the notification bell so you will know when new content is available. In the end, if you found the video useful, do not forget to click the like button. Last week we created a web page using Google Sites. Most websites have more than one page, so I'll show you how to create subpages and link the teaser articles on your home page to the subpages. So, let me share my screen and get this show on the road. The best reason to create subpages is to keep your website organized. You can even link content on the start page to your subpages, just like any other website. To be able to create our first subpage, we're going to go over to this context menu here on the right-hand side, click Pages. In the home page that's displayed, we're going to click on the three-dot menu, click Add a Subpage. We want to give our subpage a name. Once we give it a name, click Done, and you'll notice that our subpage is created. Now I want this all to be on one line, so I'm going to stretch out the text box here. Notice also, since I'm in a text area, I get the simple text editor, which allows me to edit any type of text properties that I want to. Just like any other page, I have a body area here where I can also create content. To create content, just like before, we go to Insert. Since I'm going to link a lead article into this one, I'm going to click a simple layout here with an image with some text. Since we're talking about money, let me find an image that looks like money, just like we did before. Google image search. Let's say money PNG. Let's see what we come up with. That looks like a good image right there. Now we need a title for this article here. Just like in the other one, since I want this to all be on one line, I'll have to make the text a little bit smaller. Let's try 24, maybe even 20, 30. Oh, 30 fits too. And of course, with any type of article, we want context. To make this a little bit simpler for myself, I'm going to go back to my home page, copy some lorem ipsum text here, just so that I have the form. Notice I can also navigate between my different pages using this menu here on the right side also. Put my text in there, maybe a little bit more text in there. I can also resize my image as before to make it look a little bit better. So it looks a little bit more even here, all part of the layout. Another thing to notice is when I created my subpage, my footer area was automatically copied to the subpages. This will happen with all pages I create underneath my home page. I can also edit this footer for only this page if I wish, but I'm going to keep the footer constant amongst all of my pages. Now, returning to the home page, we're going to link this lead-in article, monetizing my blog, with my subpage. The easiest way to do that is to select the text, highlight the entire text, because I want the entire text to be the link, click this link button, and as soon as I do, you'll notice that an option is that I can choose my subpage that I created as the link. Go ahead and click on that, click apply, and you'll notice that the link text has also become underlined, which is pretty much a property that you see amongst a lot of other websites. You'll also notice here in my home menu that as soon as I hover over home, I can also go to my subpage. Let me go back to home. Since both of these pages are the way I want them to look, Just like in the first tutorial, I go back to publish. Notice that I've updated my home page. You'll see the draft here showing my underlined text here and the original home page here. And I also added show me the money. Of course, it's in draft mode. I hit publish, and the modifications to my home page and my new page, show me the money, have been published. Now, what I can do is view the published website to check this out, make sure it works correctly. If I go to my link on my start page, you notice if I click on it, I go to my subpage, exactly what I intended to do. I can go back to home to this menu right here, and to check to see if the menu works correctly, I can also click on show me the money. And there I am, to the article that I published on my subpage. Congratulations, you have just created your first subpage and linked it to the teaser article on the start page. Next week, I'll cover creating a landing page and linking the landing page to your Aweber account or your autoresponder.